bad I haven't picked up the camera in a minute, but as you can see, we are in a new car. I did end up copying a 2014 Ford Fiesta ST. This is in my opinion, a rare color as well. I'm gonna put up here. I tried looking for another green one out of all the Fiestas for sale nationwide and around my area. I only could find one, and the one that I found is nothing what I paid for this. So heck yeah. But yeah, guys. This initially was supposed to be the new daily. Like this, I was gonna get just to drive around daily, go to work, do anything. And the Honda, you know, of course, that's gonna be the race car. The little Focus SVT was initially supposed to be like a how can I explain? Like I guess like a NA like crazy thing, like, you know, like I was gonna try to put like a 75 shot or 100 shot. Maybe even try to do like the 2.5 swap on them. Yeah, some crazy stuff like that. But when I copped this, guys, initially I copped it from a dealership. I thought it only had an intake, exhaust, like little like light modifications, you know, like tasteful modifications, which I didn't mind. I was like, yeah, if it's like a little bit modded, I don't care, you know, because I'm just like, it's whatever. But then my friend called me and he was like, hey bro, I don't know if you know this, but your car might have a big turbo. And I was like, which one? The one I just got? He's like, yeah. I was like, no way, because I was with my family at the time, and my mom, I mean, this is my third car, guys, so she was like, she wanted me to get something like, you know, like practical. So once I heard that, I was like, hey bro, I will call you right now. We're still not 100% sure if this is big turbo. I mean, it does pull decently. I've only gotten on it out like 2-3 times, guys, just because I don't have the copy yet, which hopefully I should be copying soon, and of course a tune. It does pull decently, guys. It does sound crazy. Watch, I'm in 6 right now. I'm just gonna give it a little gas, and then, but that's an intake, you know, in a blow up though. Not check engine light, the oil change light is on, guys. I already did the oil change, so I'm gonna reset it right now. I just haven't driven this one in a minute. The only reason I'm driving this and the only reason I'm doing this video is because the Honda's down, guys. The Honda does have a blown head gasket. For some reason the brakes stopped working on it, and the whole like exhaust, bottom exhaust, like fell. Well, not for some reason. The car is low, so like anytime I go over like a speed limit, I have to be careful. I think there was like something I hit, like when you're, you know, not going on the freeway, but like when you're going, not just driving around and the bump and you see it too late, so like that. The Focus, I mean, that thing should be easy fix, guys, but I'll play the clip here. Yeah, look, you see that, bro? But the wheel's straight right here. But yeah, as you can see, like, I was like, what the heck? So we're gonna fix that too, and then hopefully all 3 cars should be running right. The goal for this, if this is big turbo, I'm not gonna say I want this one to be the daily then, because I mean, if it's a big turbo, we might as well take advantage of it. I probably won't race this one as much as the Honda, of course, because this is a new car, guys. New cars, I mean, you guys know me, ever since the homies, like when they started copying their Type R's, the RTs, the Focus STs, they always like scare me. Not because they're easy to break, but just because all the technology stuff and all that. So the Honda's gonna be the main one. The Focus, I still want to do some crazy shit with that, either like track it, like actually on the track, or just like built it to see how much it could do, like full NA. I think the most I've ever seen them produce was like 190 to the wheels, and that was back in like 2006. So we'll see what happens. But for this one, if this one is like big turboed, it's supposed to have the S280, I believe, the S280. I don't know what other mods it has, guys. I'm gonna be real. Like I said, when I copped it, I thought it just had an intake and exhaust, which are the ones you can for sure see. When you open up the hood, I'll probably show you guys right now. I mean, I got nothing to hide. Yeah, I'll show you guys. It looks stock, so I was like, well, just the intakes. That's why I didn't think it had that. And when I was driving it, of course, I wasn't like really pulling on it, because the guy said I needed a clutch. But I don't know, like when me and my homie drived it doesn't feel like it needs a clutch, guys. I could be wrong. 2 of my brothers have STs, Focuses. Not that theirs feels like this, but it doesn't feel like it's giving out. So we'll see, guys, what I do with that. But yeah, I mean, hope you guys have been doing good. Yeah, I just want to make this quick video, a little update. Sorry if it's just me cruising around, driving around. I'm on my way to work right now. Wanted to pick up the camera. Quick little update of how it's been. So yeah, the Honda's down, guys. Focus down, but should be up pretty soon. ST's driving good. New car, of course. But yeah, I mean, really grateful for this car, guys. Really blessed to be able to have 3 cars. hopefully next is either like my own crib, like a house or something like that, or if I can, car number 4. But I don't think I'd do that, you know, while I'm still living where I'm at. I just think it's not practical, to be honest. But yeah, the car before this was supposed to be, I'm just gonna say it here because I mean, I've posted it on my close friends on Instagram, but not here, guys. It's supposed to be a Cadillac Escalade. I want a Gen 1 or Gen 2, the ones that come with the 6-liter or 6.2, because that was supposed to be my new daily. And then later on, when I get more money, you know, we were gonna supercharge it, built it, and all that, cam and everything. But I mean, for the price of this, guys, I'm not gonna say how much I got it for. Like, I don't know, I just never been that type, guys. I've always, ever since I was little, not because like I'm ashamed or anything like that, but just because there's a lot of people that like pocket watch. There's a lot of people like, oh, you could have got this, you could have got this, and not that I care, but just like annoying, you know. But I got it for a good deal, guys. I will say that I got it for a really good deal. But yeah, like the price of Escalade versus the price of this. I mean, the Escalade, of course, does not come manual, straight out the factory. Does not sound that good. Of course, it's a V8, so you could easily put an exhaust in a cam, but I mean, this just seems more like better for me, guys. But the Escalade will come, and then all the other cars I want, guys. Because if you guys don't know, I want a total of 8 or 9 cars. If we're gonna get them, I hope, but we'll see, guys. I mean, we're chasing the goal here, guys. So, and peace out to the next one, guys. Hopefully, the next video should not be too long, guys. Just been very busy with school, work, the cars being down, and everything, guys, and just life, to be honest. But yeah, peace out, guys.